everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be exploring stem and leaf plots. So let's begin. This is not related to NCERT, but again it can help you with NCERT because I don't know what's like in the classes below class 7. So maybe it might help you out. So let's begin. So the question is, you have got these numbers to make a stem and leaf plot out of. First, let's see what a stem and leaf plot is. It basically looks a bit like that, where the stem is basically like the stem of a leaf. Like if you have a plant, the stem is like the main thing, and then the leaves are just parts coming out of it, right? So that's why, if you look back at our graph, the stem is the base number of what we are going to be looking at. So if that doesn't make sense just yet, let's swap this out. If it doesn't make sense just yet, let's first start by grouping these things up. Don't worry if it doesn't make sense to you. First, we want to see what are the numbers between 1 to 10. So we've got 1, 2, no we haven't got 2, we've got 3, we've got 5, we've got 7, we've got 9, and we won't count 10 in this one. Now, what are the numbers between 10 to 20? So, 10, 12. Any other? No. The next one is, what are the numbers between 20 and 30? So, we've got 20, we've got 24, and we've got none of them. Now, let's see the numbers between 30 and 40. So, we've got 32, and we've got 34. Alright, now let's look at the numbers between 40 and 50. We've got one and only 46. Alright, if I did miss on any, don't worry. I do see one that I've missed out on. But if I have missed out on any other, don't worry. It will still work out fine. Alright, so let's first look at the numbers between 1 to 10. We've got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 8. So, in the stem and leaf plot, in the stem and leaf plot, we will be looking at the base number of these. Now, they don't have 2 digits, so we can only see 1. Now, what's the number between 1 or 3 or 5? Yes, it's 0. So, we write 0 in the stem one, and in the leaf, we write 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, and 9. Just keep in mind that put it from the least to most. Alright, the next one is 10 to 20. Now, the base number is 1, and we've got 10 and 12, so we can write 0 and 2. Alright, now, if you like, you can write a key for it. So if you've got 0 over 1, that means 1. And if you've got 1 over 0, then that means 10. Alright, that's good enough of a thing. Then we look at 20 to 30. We've got 20 and 24, so the base number is 2. We've got 0 and 4. Then we've got between 30 and 40, 2 and 4. So we've got 32, 32, and 34. Then we've got just a 46, so the base number is 4 and 6. Hope you got that. Let's move on. Let's have a look at our stem and leaf plot. That's how it will look like. Now, one thing you want to make sure is that one thing I did wrong over here is how I added comma. Now you don't want to add comma between in the middle, so it would be just like 3, 5, 7, and 8 without any comma. Alright, you don't add comma like how I did, so it's just gonna look like that. Alright, now let's move on to the next one. Now here we have got 100. Now what do we do if we've got 100 in there? So we've got 100, 112, 134, 56, and 78. Now the one between 50 to 60, we've got 56 over there. That's weird. 6. Then we've got 60 to 70, we've got none. So we write nothing. Then we've got 78 between 70 to 80. Then we've got nothing between 80 to 90, 90 to 100. But then we have got 100 to 110, which is going to be 100. Then 110 to 120, we've got 112, 120 to 30, no, 130 to 40, yes, 134. Yeah, that's basically it. We've got all our numbers. Now we write 5 as the base number, 6 over there. 6, we've got nothing. In 7, we've got 8. And then in 8, we've got none. We've got none for 9 either. We've got 1 for 10. We write 10 for 100. And we write a 0 over there. And then we write, let's just extend that, 112, 12, nothing, 1, 3. What have we got for 1, 3? 1, 3, 4. We've got 1, 3, 4. Now that's how it works. You can write a little key next to it, like 10 by 0 is going to be 100. Alright? Like how we wrote the key over here, we're going to write the same thing right here. And if we've got 99 over nothing is equal to nothing. But you don't really need to include that in your key, but I'm just telling this for reference. Then we've got a decimal number one. Now this is the last one we have got, so don't worry, let's move quickly. So we've got 1.2, between 1 to 2, we've got 3.2, then we've got 4.5, 6.6, 7.5, and we've got 10.9. Now these all are different. So 1, 2. In this one, you just have to write, if you've got 1 over 2, that's going to be 1.2. So different plots can have different graphs. Then we've got 2, we've got none, we've got 3 and 2. For 4, we have got 4 and 5. For 6, for 5, we've got none. For 6, we've got 6. For 7, we've got 7 and 5. For 8, we've got none. For 9, we've got none. And then for 10, we've got 9. 10, we've got 9. So you can write up here again, got 10 point, that would be 10.9. So with that, we've finished this. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.